What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm back. You're probably thinking, it's not been that long. I've been out longer. I haven't made a video. The last video I made, right. Last video I made was I was gonna say Centre Parks, not Centre Parks, is it? It's Longley car video thing. That was back in January. I'm pretty sure that was January. It's May now, middle of May, and all the videos that come out were all filmed last year on the Honda, which Honda I've sold. I haven't got the Honda anymore. I've still got the bad boy, obviously, but I'm thinking this will be going at the end of the summer, but that's for a different video. I have currently come from the dentist. It's a Thursday. I booked the day off just to go to the dentist. Secretly, it was actually to go ride. I was hoping the weather would be okay, and it's pretty okay. It's about 14 degrees. There's some sun. It's alright, you know. It's been quite nice recently. This is just a video, you know. There's not a lot in this video. I will be going and getting changed into some leathers, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm currently riding my missus' leggings, armoured leggings things, because I don't have any armoured trousers. The trousers I've had are just broken completely. So yeah, I'm rocking those, and my Icon jacket. But I'm gonna go put my suit on and go for a good spinach. Obviously the new helmet with a side view, which I haven't done in yonks. So we're giving that a go, and I've fiddled with all the settings again, and yeah, I don't know what this is going to look like. Sorry, man, I'm faster than you. I don't know what this looks like. It probably looks like shit, but I'm still rocking it, so it's fine. Let's go! Oh shit, booty. She a booty. Oh, ignore my you probably see my nose as well. Ignore my nose. The tinted visor's on its way, so you don't have to stare at me. My blackhead-filled bloody nostrils. Oh, excuse me. Well, we got the juicy juice. This is all done up. Let's go make some noise. I'm still in street mode. What am I doing? Get that off. Sport mode. That's better. Instant power. Power! Woo-hoo! Oh, giggle factor 100. Oh, yes. Come on, little Jazz. Let's get her going. Wow, you really are slow, aren't you? Well, let's go. Jump! Woo! Well, I hope you're all keeping up anyway. Hope you're all doing well. Things are, you know, coming back to the norm slightly, which is good to see. I bought a house. I'm not living in there yet. It's all boring paperwork side of stuff. So that's exciting. That's the reason really I haven't posted any videos, is because doing all the paperwork and that kind of side of stuff. Plus work is just, you know, stressful as ever, and people leave and retired, and which, Martin, I hope you're enjoying your retirement. I know you watch my videos sometimes, so happy retirement. Enjoy it, my friend. He still comes in, the absolute legend. Yeah, this work is always stressful, so that's always fun. Oh, I love this little bit. Hold on. Let's just take a moment. Ready? Love it. yeah, so I've just had lots of shit going on my plate, and I just did not want to make a video, so I just didn't bother. And I knew it was going to be like that, which is why I pre-recorded everything. The CRF's videos did so fucking well. Not. They stunk. They're getting less than 100 views. But I know as soon as I put this bad boy in a thumbnail, we'll get some views going, because everybody loves this thing. And it's just a beast. Little baby 790 beast. But what do I get next? I don't know. I like adventure bikes. I like doing the adventures, but I know my audience would like that, but it's not up to you, it's down to me. The 990 Adventure, I love them. But yeah, I don't know. I like toys. I was thinking an XT660X because they're a lot of fun, and you know, not a huge amount of power, but I can still have fun, still rag it in the wet, do some dank woolies, and go touring on it. It's kind of the perfect all-rounder, but I don't know, just don't know, basically. I just don't know. I also really want the 954, love one of those, an RSV Millie factory. They're lovely and they're cheap. They're not huge power, they're like 139 brake, I think, something like that. So not huge amount, and they weigh a lot, so it's one of those. I don't want a heavy bike really, because for me, chucking a heavy bike around there, I'm so small, it becomes an effort. With this, you know, it's just so fucking flickable. I don't know what I like better, the acceleration sound, the quick shifter sound, or roll off the throttle and backfire sounds. I don't know. But it's too loud, honestly. The videos don't do it justice. This bike is too loud. You know me, I've always had loud bikes. This is too loud, like this is obnoxious. Should be scared of kids, shall we? Skadoosh. Look at this sexy beast. Oh, I wasn't talking about me for once. Got a bit grim down here all of a sudden. Not so nice down here no more. This bike is so fucking loud. Oh, I had myself some fish, or jumbo sausage and chips. It wasn't bad. I've been down there loads of times. It's kind of, if I'm chilling, that's where I'll go to get food. Good little chip shop down there. Yeah, it's good. Lots of choppers out today. Lots of retired peeps on their Triumphs and Interceptors. With a Tracer, GS, Gixxer. Well, we're just gonna head back anyway. I've had my fill of the day. We'll see how this video does. See if the channel is dead. Moo. London little gutties. Oh, hello. Bloody hell. Hey you! No fucking horns on you, cunt! Fucking hell. You don't go on the wrong side of the road, man. Come on now. Stop! There's just no need. thumbnail, by the way.